All right, welcome back to Economic Ideologies. All right, so we have Keynesian economics. The idea behind Keynesian economics is that the government should stimulate the economy during recessions, so when the economy is not doing well, by spending money to encourage economic growth. So, they believe that there is an active governmental role in the economy. If the economy isn't doing well, the government should spend money, even if that means engaging in deficit spending, so borrowing money, making it, future generations have to pay for that. That's okay, because it'll help the economy now. That's Keynesian economics, and is typically favored by Democrats. On the other side of the aisle, you have supply-side economics. I think I should point out that this isn't really a valid economic theory. Keynesian economics is. Supply side is really more of a political version of economics, so I do feel the need to point that out. Supply side economists say that government should stimulate the economy, so notice it's similar. The difference here is by cutting taxes to encourage businesses to grow and taxpayers to spend more money. All right, so both sides are okay with deficits because cutting taxes or increasing spending will both lead to budget deficits. So both sides apparently aren't that worried about it, even though they each act like they're really worried about the deficit when the other side is doing their preferred thing. The difference is that one side thinks it should be cutting taxes and the other side thinks it should be spending. So know which is which. Keynesians, Democrats say spend money. Republicans, supply-siders, they say cut taxes. Okay. Oh, well, here you go. So now this is the side where now I'm supposed to tell you about the similarities. I've kind of already done that. So both give the federal government an active role in the economy. So they're similar in that regard. They both think the government can and should get involved. They both think that the focus is more important, or it's more important to focus on economic growth, less concerned about budget deficits. The disagreement is about whether it should be government spending or whether it should be tax cuts. Which one of those would be the preferred method of stimulating the economy? Libertarians, on the other hand, prefer free markets and laissez-faire economic policies, and they again believe that the government's only role in the economy is to protect property rights, and that would be through our court system, and individual liberty. So they do not believe that the government has an active role, whether it's to cut taxes or it's to increase spending. The government shouldn't be involved in trying to micromanage the economy. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button for me. This has been a La Money production.